I spent some time testing and exploring this platform and decided to share my findings in a simple way so you can understand how it works before making any decision yourself. In this video, I'll be giving you my personal walkthrough and review of the OKTrading platform, while also discussing something that really caught my attention: their compensation system. Before we move forward, I want to make something clear. This video is strictly for educational purpose. I'm only sharing my personal experience exploring this platform. I'm not a crypto professional. I'm not an expert in when it comes to trading, so this is not to be considered financial advice. This video is mainly for people who are new to trading or anyone interested in understanding how the platform works. Always take your time to do your own research and understand everything before you put your money into any platform. If it is your first time visiting my channel, my name is Wise, and on this channel I create content around making money online, AI tools, online side hustle, remote to work opportunity, and digital skill that can help you increase your income online. If this is the kind of content you are interested in, consider hitting the subscribe button, turn on notification bell, and leave a like on this video. Yes, like this video, and if you have anything at all as the video goes on, let me know in the comment section. So without further ado, let's get into it. So if you are coming across OKTrading for the first time, OKTrading is basically a crypto trading platform where users make prediction on whether the price of cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum will increase or decrease within a specific period of time. If your prediction turns out to be correct, you can potentially make a profit. However, if the market moves in the opposite direction, you may experience a loss. The platform mainly focuses on popular trading pairs such as BTC, Ethereum, and USDT, which are some of the most commonly used options in crypto trading. Before logging into any platform, one of the things I always do is check the security and company information. On the OKTrading homepage, you can click on the security settings icon to access more details about the company. While checking, notice that OKTrading display a certificate of incorporation and an MSB license. Yes, I saw that they have an MSB license. You can also use the link provided below to confirm the license details in the official MSB website. For anyone who wants to check out the platform by themselves, I'll be leaving the registration link in the description and also the pinned comment. You can use it to access it. Yes, in this video I'll be taking you through how the platform works step by step, starting from creating an account all the ways to making trades. I will show you how to access the signal group and how users combine the signal with the calculator feature to make their trading decision. Make sure you watch until the end without skipping any part so you can have a complete understanding of how the platform works. Once you click the link provided in the description and pin comment, it will take you directly to the sign up page. To create an account on the platform, you simply start by entering your username, then provide your phone number and email address. Yes, after submitting your details, a verification code will be sent to your email. Enter the code in the space provided, then create a secure password for your account. Once you have completed all the required information, click on the register button below and you will be redirected straight to the platform homepage. In this platform, users mainly make money through option trading. Once you are on the homepage, you will notice two different icons available below. Just as you can see at the downside, when you select the red icon, that is at the side, it takes you to the BTC USD trading session where you will find options such as big, small, odd, and even. The green icon on the other hand take you to the ETH USDT trading session where user can place trades by predicting the direction of the market. Don't worry, I will break down how each of these features work in details later in this video. According to the platform, the compensation system is mainly linked to BTC USDT trading option, meaning it is mostly designed around users who actively trade BTC option. However, there are specific requirements and conditions that user needs to meet before they can qualify for the compensation. I will break down all the details now so you can clearly understand how the system works without getting confused. first, let's take a look at how the full compensation system works. For example, if you go to the BTC USDT session and choose the 5 minutes option, then use this trading session together with the signal group and calculator, this platform claims that if you experience losses, you may be eligible for full compensation after having consecutive losses up to the 8 times. Yes, according to the platform, the compensation only applies specifically to the BTC USDT 5 minutes trading option. Also, users are required to use the signal group and calculator together while trading in order to qualify for the full compensation. Now let me show you how to use the signal group and calculator together. When you return to the home page, you will find the calculator section here, where once you click on it, it will take you directly to the calculator page. In this section, you can enter your trading capital. For example, if your capital is 50 USDT, you simply input the amount here. After that, make sure you select the BTC option before continuing. Don't choose any other option. Make sure it's the BTC option that you choose. Once everything is set, click on the calculate button, then calculator will then automatically display the recommended trade amount and the estimated net profit. What you can do next is take a screenshot of the result and save it somewhere before you begin trading. Now let's move to the next step. This step focuses on how to use the calculator together with the signal group. Also, I'll be sharing the link to the signal group in the description and pin comment so you can easily access it. Here's what the signal group looks like. This is the 5 minute signal group. Signals are usually provided daily and they are sent twice a day, first between 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the morning, and then again between 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. in the evening. So how exactly does the signal group work? Whenever a signal is posted, it typically appears in a structured format. You'll be able to see details such as transaction type, which is the 5 minutes trade as mentioned earlier, as well as the current trading period. It also shows the outcome of the previous round along with the signal for the next round. You also see if it's even or if it's odd, and you understand all those ones. Yes, so you just note the signals down, note everything down so that you can use it. So how do you take a trade using both the signal group and the calculator all together? Just as you can see here, they just draw the signal right now and they are saying we should go for big. Is it here? So we are saying we should go for big. So we are going, this is the signal. We already take the signal, the period is here, the everything's here. So we already take the signal. The signals say we should go for big. Then next thing for us to come to our OKTrading. Once we get to OKTrading, let's say for example we are using calculator. We want to use calculator. Very important. Let's say for example we want to use $50. Then click on calculate. So these are everything that is going to give us. So now you're going to take a screenshot, like I said earlier, really take a screenshot and go back to your OKTrading and make sure that this BTC is selected. When do your calculation, go back to the trading platform, which is this red here. Click on it. Once you click on it, so since the one we picked just now was 5 minutes, yes, that is the 5 minute signal. First we click on this 5 minutes here, and they say we should click on big. Yes, big. This is big here, and according to our calculator, we have to go with. Let's check our calculator. 0.049. Let's click on it. 0.049. Click on trade. Then click on trade again. Then we have placed our trades. Let's just, you can see it's counting down. Let's just wait until it counts to the end. So guys, the trades have ended. So now to check if we made profit or loss on that trade, just click on this order button that is here. You can see here this order here, my order. Click on it. Make sure that this your 5 minutes is selected because we place a trade of 5 minutes. So make sure the 5 minutes is selected before you click on my order. And you can see here this is the trade that we just placed. It's all the information about it. This is it here. And as you can see, we made a profit of $0.05. That is the profit that we made on this trade. So that is just it. It's very simple. But for if in any case that you lose, you know that when we place this trade just now, we use 0.049. So in case you use the 0.049 and you lose, don't use the 0.049 again. Go to the next one and use 0.122. And if you lose all of the 122, don't use 122. Go to the next. So that in case, because if you lose this 0.049 and you come back and use 0.122, you are going to make back the money that you use on this 0.049. So that is how it actually works. According to the platform, if you keep trading using both the signal group and the calculator and you experience continuous losses up to the 8th phase, you are expected to stop trading at that point. After that, you will need to take a screenshot of the calculator results as well as the trading history from the other session. It is important that the trade history clearly shows all the phases you went through, like all the steps you went through. Make sure it shows, and how many times you lost. It should also shows it. Next, you can reach out to the customer support or your assigned agent. I will also be sharing the support link so you can contact them easily. Once you get in touch, you will submit your screenshot along with your UID or account details and explain that you follow the signal group and calculator but still experience losses up to the required number of phases. From there, this platform will review and verify your claim. If everything check out and you meet the stated condition, you may become eligible for full compensation based on their evaluation of the rules. So guys, that is basically how the compensation process works for the BTC USDT 5-minute trading session. Now let's briefly move to the second compensation plan, which is the 1-minute trading session. This one works slightly different from the 5 minutes option and also have its own dedicated signal group. The 1-minute system operates in a similar way to the 5-minute group setup. The key difference is the speed. Trades are executed within 1 minute and signals are released more frequently in the 1-minute group throughout each day. Just like before, you will still be combining the signal group with the calculator while trading on the BTC USDT session. When a signal is released, you select the 1-minute option and follow the direction provided in the signal group, similar to how it's done in the 5-minute system. After that, you use the trade amount generated by the calculator for each phase. According to the platform, if you continue trading using both the signal group and the calculator and you experience consecutive losses to the 8th phase, you may become eligible for a compensation review. Once you submit the required screenshot, including your trading history for verification, the platform states that after their review process, you could receive compensation of over 50% of the total amount you lost, depending on their assessment. Now, there's under compensation rules on the platform, and this is also quite important. According to the platform, even if you are not using the calculator or the signal group and you are trading independently on either BTC USDT or ETH USDT, you can still be eligible for a small daily compensation depending on your losses. In other words, even when trading on your own without following the provided tools, the system may still offer users a small percentage of compensation based on their total trading losses for the day. To wrap this up, there's another useful features on the platform that beginners might find helpful. This feature is called the simulator, and it's designed for users who want to understand how everything works before using refunds. It allows you to practice placing trades, follows how the signal group works, and learn how to use the calculator, all without risking actual money. So if you are new to the platform or just want to get familiar with the process, this is a good place to start before moving into real trading. And also, when using the simulator, you may also become eligible for rewards depending on your performance and how well you trade. On that way that you can see get reward is through the referral. When you refer and the people you refer start using the platform to trade, you actually still get referral depending on the platform rules and conditions, which you can see on the screen. When it comes to deposit and withdrawal, the platform allows users to fund their account using cryptocurrencies such as USDT or TROS, depending on what is supported in your region. Withdrawal can also be processed directly from your account dashboard once you meet the required conditions set by the platform. If you run into any issue at any point, you can always reach out to the customer support for assistance. So guys, that's a complete walkthrough of how the OKTrading platform works, including the signal group, calculator, trading process, stimulator, and the compensation system as explained by the app. Yes, as mentioned earlier, this is just a review and personal walkthrough of the platform meant to help you understand how it operates before trying anything yourself. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Have you come across any platform like this before or tried something similar? And if you found anything interesting during your own research, feel free to share it in the comment section. Yes, feel free to share it in the comment section. I would love to hear your thoughts on it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel. Also turn on notification bell so you don't miss more honest walkthrough like this. Thanks for watching. I'll be seeing you on the next video.